A service bus rolled in with a familiar complaint. Drivers reported slow air build and amber warnings glowing on the dash. Nothing dramatic, no panic stops. Brakes felt normal, but the system was taking its sweet time building pressure. That's the kind of fault that whispers instead of screams. Diagnostics came first, not guesses. Live checks showed frequent purge cycles and an air system that couldn't keep moisture in check. Leaks were ruled out, fittings were tight, brake components dry. The trail led where it usually does in cases like this, the air dryer. Inspection told the rest of the story. The dryer was old, tired, and contaminated. Oil residue, dirt, years of neglect baked into the body. Electrically, everything was still connected. The push-in air lines hadn't moved since installation day. That's normal. Time does that. Oil, moisture, and grime slowly fuse the pipe to the collet and O-ring. It's not stuck because it's broken. It's stuck because it's lived. Removal had to be done right. First rule, fully depressurize the air system. No shortcuts, no heroics. Pressure doesn't forgive mistakes. Next, remove the horseshoe retaining clips. Push the pipe inward slightly, then twist. Gentle persuasion, not violence. If it refuses to cooperate, don't pry, don't lever. The correct move is simple. Unscrew the fitting from the dryer as one piece. You're replacing the unit anyway, no metals for broken pipes. With the old dryer out, the new unit went in clean. Fresh fittings, new clips. Lines inspected and reinstalled properly. System recharged. Post-install testing told the truth. Fast air build, clean purge cycles, dry air delivered as designed. Here's the lesson, write it in permanent marker. An air dryer failure won't always stop a bus today, but it will slow pressure build, flood the system with moisture, and quietly stress everything downstream. Fix the cause early, and you prevent downtime. You protect the brakes. You keep the fleet honest and the road safer. Because real diagnostics isn't about clearing warnings and hoping. It's about understanding the fault, isolating it cleanly, and fixing the root cause, not the symptom that just happens to be shouting loudest.